Hey, y'all, hope you're doing well. If you notice a couple spots on Home V2 here, this wave back here tends to grow at you. The background image is kind of moving towards you, getting bigger. You can definitely tell up here. The same on the contact page. This jellyfish image is also coming at you, while this one is not. It's just a nice little subtle, classy animation type deal. And I'm going to show you how you can add that to other sections or remove it if you don't like it. To remove it's very easy. You can just go to the visual builder here. I'll go down to that section and just go to the section class here, and you just get rid of the Ken Burns section. You just get rid of this and it'll stop growing, and then you can do whatever you want with it. If you want to use it, it needs the class Ken Burns section, and the background image also has to be set to parallax. It won't work otherwise. Parallax, true parallax is what you want. Same with this page here. If I enable the builder, I'll go in here to this. This is on a row. So here we got the first, or the column. The first column has that background image. It's set parallax, true parallax, and it has the class Ken Burns section. So you can do it to either, even though it's got section in it, you can do it to other things, row, column. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the second column here. And whenever there's a class already there, you got to have a space, and then you can put your other class. Now it's not doing anything because I haven't set this background yet to be parallax. And now you'll see this one's moving too. I'm going to go ahead and take this one back off to how I had it, but that's how you can add that effect. And then if you wanted to, you can find the effect in here. So let me see, drop downs, highlight fixed nav, mobile nav. I think it's Ken Burns here. If you want, you can make this 45 seconds. The one that we're using is this one here. So it's an infinite. Over 45 seconds it'll grow. You can mess with that time if you want. And then this is how big it scales. You could change the scaling to 1.1 instead of 1.05. You could mess around with that if you would like, and just the different values here. But again, I would copy this first, all of this. I would select all, copy, paste that onto a file on your computer and save it before messing around with it. But that's what's up with the Ken Burns growing effects that we have in Coastal. All right, cheers, y'all.